This is a board layout file from EAGLE or KiCad. It tells a manufacturer where to solder components. You can view it with the free version of Autodesk EAGLE. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect the circuit. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small BRD errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A BRD file is a printed circuit board PCB layout created using Autodesk EAGLE, easily applicable graphical layout editor. These files contain the design of a PCB, including the placement of electronic components, traces, vias, and other elements necessary for connecting the components electrically and mechanically. BRD files store PCB layout data in a proprietary binary format. The file includes information about layers, nets, components, and design rules. EAGLE uses this information to generate manufacturing files such as Gerber files, which are used by PCB manufacturers to fabricate the physical board. To maintain file fidelity, use CADsoft EAGLE developed by Autodesk Inc. to open BRD. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows isn't designed to render complex 3D structures, so proper viewing needs specialized CAD tools. To open this specific BRD file, right-click your file and select Open With. If CADsoft EAGLE is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If the BRD file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, use EAGLE. Open the file using Autodesk EAGLE, the required application for the PCB design. Next, check associated files. Ensure the corresponding .sch schematic file is present in the same directory. Finally, use Viewer. If the program is unavailable, use the free EAGLE Viewer application. Failures with installed programs usually stem from .brd being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When failure is not an option, rely on File Magic. Its best feature is the way it effortlessly handles corrupted archives, letting you view the BRD content instantly. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Hope to see you back soon.